Today we're standing in front of something that shouldn't exist, but absolutely does. This is the Ferrari 308 GTBI, one of the most iconic shapes to ever leave Maranello. The poster car, the Magnum PI silhouette, pure late 70s, Italian wedge design. This one was sent to Japan to get Liberty Walk to decide on how they want to input their own flair. This isn't just a modified 308, this is Liberty Walk's personal demo car, used for merchandise, car shows, special events, and playing cards, model cars. This represents their vision of a classic Ferrari through the lens of Tokyo. The Liberty Walk 308, beast of a car. Look how loud it is. It's loud in here. This thing screams. It makes the right noise that you want to hear in a Ferrari. All right, here goes. So the standard car 308 GTBI, the injection version of the carbureted 308. This thing has 220 horsepower, stock standard, but what Liberty Walk did was give it 300 horsepower out of a lightweight car. The whole body is all lightweight. It only weighs 1,150 kilograms, so you won't find the car lighter than this. The flair, the amount of attention this thing gets is simply amazing. You can imagine right now driving this on the streets of Sydney. Anywhere you drive this thing will get attention and looks. So what they've given us, we've got an air suspension system with its own controller. So here you go, a controller, you can adjust all four corners separately. And we've got the wider guards, the flared look, bigger wheels, bigger brakes, bigger engine, more performance, different suspension. The car still feels like a very race-orientated car. I love the way it feels. So what they gave us is that Japanese flair, that JDM spike into this Italian stallion. So you've got this Italian car, they've exaggerated the looks, they made it look bigger, fatter, meaner, lower. It gives you a spectacular look where you think 288 GTO, but no, it's not a 288 GTO, it's still a 308 GTBI with that added extra flair. Now, this car, the purists may not like it, but believe me, it still sticks true to its form. It's got the sound, it's got the appeal, it's still Italian with that added Japanese, but hey, you know what? I love it, I dig it, and to me, it's fun, and I'm enjoying every aspect of this drive. And the way it screams, it pops, it crackles, hear that, wow. And what the guy said, it shoots flames. Doesn't get any better on a summer's day, but this is a fun car. You can take it to the track, you can drive it around on a Sunday, go to a Cars and Coffee meet, or even a Concours meet, and eyeballs will be popping out, that's for sure. All right, here goes. Let's give it some acceleration. Woo! Listen to that. Wow. It does fly, the 300 horsepower, that extra power, you can feel it compared to a regular 308. Especially the Carby model, this here, the fuel injected, the way they've modified it at Liberty Walk, they've given it more. It's more emphasis, they've juiced it up. They've given it more flair, more. I can't describe it. I'm lost for words. But this car is a 308 with more. So this car is a fun car. And that's how I'm going to conclude it. They didn't ruin it. They just added more fun into it. The enthusiasm is there.